body lotion contains alpha-arbutin and kojic acid inside of it, and this is suitable for anybody that wants to brighten up their skin. Now this is very good, and if you have a sensitive skin, this body lotion should be in Hi, welcome back guys to Sunshine Skin Diary. Now in today's video I'll be telling you guys like best brightening body lotions that you need to actually have depending on what your skin issue is. Now if you're seeing me for the first time, welcome back to my channel. I do talk about skincare, beauty tips, and here and there. Now if that sounds nice, please, I want you to use just 10 seconds of you to subscribe, like, and don't forget to tell me in the comment section what you are battling with, and let me be of your aid. Now before you guys go about getting the body lotion in the market, I want you to actually hear me out. Okay, now before you go buy any body lotion, understand what you want. Okay, what is the problem? What does your skin want? Do you want to brighten up your skin? Do you want to hydrate your skin? Do you want to get rid of blemishes such as acne, body acne, hyperpigmentation? Know what your problem is before getting any body lotion. Now I will mention it for you guys, like few body lotions that are very good, which some I have tried out and some might have actually tried out and they recommend it. Kicking off with the first body lotion is going to be this. Now this is the Healthy Glow body lotion, which contains alpha-arbutin and kojic acid. Now this particular body lotion is for anybody that wants to have a more light complexion, like a more brighter complexion. So if you have a dull skin, now you need to get this particular body lotion, because this body lotion is going to help brighten up your skin. Now just so you know, for a fun fact, it doesn't contain hydroquinone, it doesn't contain mercury, which are harsh ingredients for the skin. This body lotion is actually free of those two chemicals. This is quite good. Yes, I've used it and that is why I'm making a video about it. It's quite good. Now this comes in two forms. This contains alpha-arbutin and kojic acid, while this contains vitamin C and niacinamide. Now this is for anybody that wants to you want your skin to pop up very well. I would suggest like this is for those who have super light skin, they can use this. But for this one, brightening of the skin, because it contains niacinamide and vitamin C, so it's going to brighten up your dull skin. So if you're battling with dull skins, get Healthy Glow and thank me later. Now the next body lotion that I'm going to be talking about is for those who actually have caramel tones, who just want to, they just want something that's just going to be there, that's not going to be doing too much. Now I recommend for you this particular body lotion. This is the Nivea Radiant and Even Glow body lotion. Now if you have been watching me very well, you know that I do talk about this body lotion. In fact, I have used like up to 6 bottles of this particular body lotion and it is a go get. Now this body lotion is best for, they say it's best for all skin types, but if you're dry skin, if you're a person looking for hydration, you don't need to get this. Okay, to be very honest, this does not really hydrate the skin. This does not really keep your skin hydrated. This is just there, just like a normal body lotion. But one thing about this is that it helps with stretch marks. So if you're battling with stretch marks, you really need to then get this particular body lotion. And also, if you're the type that have bleached his or her own skin and you want to repair your skin, like you want your skin to start afresh, get this body lotion also. It's going to help rejuvenate your skin, like it's going to help your skin start afresh, and it's going to maintain what your skin color for you. Just so you know, get this body lotion. It's very good and I like it, and it's also quite affordable. The next body lotion that I'll be talking about is the Olay Vitamin C body lotion. Now you all know, okay, Olay is the tea. Olay Vitamin C body lotion brightens the skin very well. Like when I say something brightens very well, very well, Olay should be given the crown for that. Now this body lotion contains vitamin C on a higher level, if you ask me, and it helps in moisturizing the skin, enhancing your skin tone, keeping everything balanced, giving you that uniform complexion. But I feel like the here with this particular problem is that it is quite expensive. Okay, it is quite expensive, so not everybody can afford it, but if you can afford it, go for it. It is quite good, and I'm going to recommend it to anybody that wants to brighten up their skin, even their skin, and at the same time moisturize their skin tone. Yes, The next body lotion that I'll be talking about now, this particular one, I've used it twice and I just had to keep it, is the Dr. Teal's body lotion. This one you are seeing here, I have actually used this particular body lotion, and here is my honest review concerning this body lotion you're seeing here on your screen. Now this body lotion contains vitamin C, as they say, and other ingredients that you are seeing. Now, will this really brighten up your skin like effectively? I will tell you no. But this is going to moisturize your skin. This is still going to brighten up your skin. Now, I feel like this particular body lotion should be suitable for anybody that has a caramel dull tone. So if your caramel skin is dull, you're looking for something that is just going to brighten it up, that's going to, you know, do one or two for you, then get this particular body lotion, because that is what will actually enable your skin very well. Yes, get this particular body lotion. It's so good, it's so nice, it smells well, and it sinks deeply into the skin quickly. Yep, I'm telling you because I have used it. Yes, now that is that for Dr. Teal's. And just so you know, Dr. Teal's has different variants, okay, different variants of Dr. Teal's, so go with the one that works for you. The next that I'll be talking about, now this is like a big brand, but we're gonna talk about it, is the Advanced Clear Clinical Vitamin C Body Lotion. Now this one is good for moisturizing, brightening of the skin, and hydrating of the skin. Now this is quite expensive, but does it work? It do work. Take it from me, it do work. It's going to brighten up your skin, okay? It's going to give you a uniform complexion. If you're the kind of person whereby you have a darker neck, or some part of your body are dark, you know, they are not even at all, this body lotion will rhyme your skin for you, give you that full uniform complexion that you are actually looking for. But if you have the money, buy it, because it's expensive, very expensive. Now, with that being said, these are a few body lotions that will brighten your skin. Like when they say anything wants to brighten, it will brighten your skin, and I've categorized it according to those and their caramel tones, so that you know the one you get for your own skin type, just so you know. Yes, now if you like this video, don't forget to stay connected to my channel and hit the subscribe button and follow for more. Bye.